Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch adult videos on TikTok. If you want to access such videos, there's only one setting you need to change in your TikTok application. I'll show you exactly what that setting is and how to enable or disable it. So, let's get started. First, open your TikTok app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. In the upper right-hand corner, tap the three lines to open Settings. 4. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu. 5. Scroll down until you find Content Preferences, then tap on it. 6. Here, you'll see Restricted Mode. This is the key setting that controls mature content on TikTok. If Restricted Mode is enabled on your phone, you won't be able to watch adult videos. To enable or disable this feature, 1. Tap on Restricted Mode. 2. You may be asked to enter a passcode if one is set. 3. Toggle the setting on or off based on your preference. Once disabled, TikTok will no longer filter out adult content.